Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word escalation. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The escalating tensions between the two countries led to fears of potential conflict. Escalation refers to the increase or intensification of a situation, often leading to heightened tensions, violence, or conflict between parties involved. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.